Hey everyone, it's Eddie, aka jigglyjams here, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of Nance, the governance automation platform. So I'm here on the homepage, nance.app. I'm going to hit up spaces, and then we're going to be working with our test space called Waterbox, a little play on juice box. I'm going to open that up. You'll see the connect wallet button up here in the top. I'm just going to click on that, connect my wallet, do a little sign in with Ethereum dance that we all know and love. Now I'm authenticated as jigglyjams.eth. I'm going to come in here, and these are like some past proposals, but I'm going to come in here and make a new one. And this will load our editor page where you got your title and the space's default template. This is a completely configurable template for each space, which is really nice. I'm going to come in here and start working away at a proposal. I'm going to say send JBX to Django. And as I'm editing here, we're saving locally. So content is being updated both locally, and let's say I accidentally refresh before submitting this proposal, we can hit restore here and it's all saved. So that's pretty sweet. Another great feature of the editor is control V image uploading to IPFS. So I just took a screenshot on my other monitor. I'm going to paste that in. That's going to get uploaded to IPFS when I paste that in. So wherever this proposal markdown content is going next in the process, that'll be readily available. Speaking of that, you'll notice down here you'll see two tabs down here. One is WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get, or Markdown. So if I jump over into Markdown mode, this editor we have supports both. You'll see that the image gets populated with an IPFS CID that got uploaded on our gateway. And when you're in Markdown editor mode, you can jump over to preview to see how it'll render, which is nice. But I'm just going to jump back over to WYSIWYG and add a little table here that we can test table viewing. And yeah, we've got some nice formatting here, some niceties that'll all remain in sync when you cross over into WYSIWYG or Markdown mode. So that's super cool. And then back at the top, I'm going to actually attach the transfer action to this proposal. So I'm going to go hit the action menu. I'm going to come in here and select JBX. These tokens are being loaded from the Juicebox safe, so it only populates with tokens that the safe actually owns. I'm going to come in here and type in Django.eth to load their address here. And for amount, I'm going to say 100,000. And let's say we want this to occur over 2 governance cycles. So Nance is based on cyclical governance, where proposals are coming in every 1 or 2 weeks. So let's say we want to have 2 100K JBX transfers that occur for each once this proposal passes. So this all looks good now. I'm going to hit publish. And once I do that, it's going to take you to the proposal viewing page where it's got the title, the actions, who created it, jigglyjams.eth, the kind of discussion status that it's in right now. And it's got the content, our nicely formatted table. And yeah, and I'm going to jump over to Discord, where the Nance bot created a thread in a specific channel just for this proposal. So people can come in here, give feedback. You'll notice the bot also attached thumbs up, thumbs down emojis to this. That'll come into play during temperature check phase of this proposal. I'm going to jump back over to the app where, let's say, someone gave some feedback and the original author, can come back here and edit it. Let's say we want to send JBX to Django and 2dam, because 2dam.eth is also great. So I'm going to do another transfer. We'll say 2dam.eth and the same 100,000 over 2 cycles. We're going to hit that JBX again, and I'm going to publish that. Once I do that, that action will be updated. We can also see that the discussion got updated as well, and the Nance bot will keep everything in sync between the thread name and the proposal title and such, and it'll also send a message whenever any edits occur to the proposal. So I'm going to jump back over to the app, and normally this would all be running automated, but I'm going to come in and kind of do some kind of manual pushing around of proposals. Since this is a demo, we don't have to wait for a specific day to pop up for us to start the temperature check. Normally it would be based on a calendar, and Nance bot would run that all for you, but being a demo, I'm going to just do this semi-manual mode, and I hit start temperature check, jump back over to Discord. We go back to our proposal channel. You'll see that a message was sent that describes all the proposals that need to be temperature checked, Discord time formatted date of when that's going to be open until. Again, I'm going to run this manually, so that date isn't going to be adhered to, but I'm going to come in here and hit the thumbs up on this proposal, and then jump back over to the app and end that temperature check. Again, this would normally end maybe 3 days after temperature check starts. When I do that, the proposal will be put into a voting status. It'll send this little vote emoji so everyone knows to go vote. It'll list the actual temperature check results and who voted which way, so that's all recorded here and viewable in Discord. And then once a proposal has passed temperature check, we can start the voting. So once I hit that, the Nance bot is going to send the proposal to Snapshot through Snapshot API, and when I jump back over to the home page, we'll see it's in voting phase, and we'll be able to actually vote directly through the Snapshot API. So you're able to vote on nance.app or Snapshot. This got uploaded to Snapshot, and the reason it says voting closed is because it's about to begin in 1 minute, the start date of this vote, so that you'll see the proposals pending. But yeah, if you view things in Snapshot, you'll see all the same content that was in nance.app. Since we're using, completely portable Markdown, it'll be portable across all platforms that support major Markdown formatting. We also are always embedding the actions in the Markdown text itself. So there's no other database where this stuff is being stored. It's always kind of in this text-based format. And if I jump back over to the app, the vote should be open now. So I can come in here and vote and say, so cool, I like this, and attach a reason to my vote as you're used to when you vote through Snapshot. Submit that, sign it with my wallet. And again, this gets sent off to the Snapshot API. The 4 results are updated here. And when I refresh, you'll be able to see my vote here with the comment. So presumably, there's a bunch of people voting, and they can all leave comments and see their different powers. And yeah, since, again, we're doing this demo, I'm going to expedite things and jump back over to this kind of semi-manual, semi-automatic mode we've been using, and click End Voting. And with that, we're going to fetch all the proposals that are in the voting period, query Snapshot for the different, the different voting scores for each one, and then we're going to send a message with the results to Discord, that same channel. And you see here, it has an X because this technically failed, because there's only 6 million votes, and Juicebox uses a minimum quorum, or just quorum, of 80 million votes. So it says quorum not met. This proposal has failed, and we just went through the entire governance cycle for this proposal. You can see here it's been updated that the status is canceled because we only reached 7% of quorum, and that's the governance process. Thanks for tuning in. Reach out if you got any questions. You can go to our homepage to book a demo with me, jigglyjams, at most times of the day. So please do that, and ping me if you got anything else. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.